Okay, so we have the washing machine smelling, and people were saying we should buy some liquid, we should be put in the machine, then run a full cycle. No, they were wrong. The smell was as a result of the detergent tray having some dried soap and all those few things. So if you ever have that thing, all you need to do is just take out the detergent tray. For us, this one comes by me pressing this one down, and it comes out. When it comes out, clean it thoroughly. You need to clean it very, very hard. Clean it thoroughly, and also partially clean inside as well. Ideally spraying some antibacterial, and after cleaning, put them back, and the smell should now go. So that next time you do your laundry, you will not have any smell coming out of the washing machine. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.